If you're looking to delete your X account, formerly Twitter, this video will walk you through the full process step by step, including what happens after deactivation and the important things you need to know before you finish. This is the safest way to close your account on desktop, and it only takes a few minutes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another simple how-to guide. Alright, let's get into it. First, open your desktop browser and go to x.com, then log into the account you want to delete. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left-hand sidebar and find the More icon. This is the button with the 3 dots inside a circle. Click on it to open the full menu. From that menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account controls and privacy options are located. Now that you're inside Settings, look for the Your Account section. Under that area, scroll down until you see Deactivate Your Account. Click it to open the deactivation page. X will show you some information about what deactivation means, so take a moment to read it carefully. This is important because deactivation is not immediate deletion. It starts the 30-day deletion process. When you're ready, click the red deactivate button at the bottom of the page. X may ask you to confirm that you understand what happens next. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your X account password. Type it in carefully so the platform can verify your identity, then click the final Deactivate Account button to complete the process. Once you confirm, your profile, posts, likes, and media will stop appearing publicly on X. In other words, your account is now deactivated. But here's the most important part. You must not log back into the account for exactly 30 days. If you sign in again at any point during that period, even on another device or through a third-party app, the deletion process will be cancelled and your account will be reactivated. So if you're serious about permanently deleting your X account, make sure you stay logged out for the full 30-day window. After those 30 days pass, the account is permanently deleted and cannot be recovered. That means your posts, account data, and profile will be gone for good. There are also a couple of extra things you should know before you delete. If you want to reuse your current username or email address for a future X account, change them in your settings before you deactivate. Once the account is deactivated, that information is locked during the waiting period, so you won't be able to reuse it right away. Also, even after your account is deleted from X, some old posts or profile information may still show up temporarily in search engines like Google. That usually happens because search engines cache pages and it can take time for them to refresh. So don't worry if you still see traces of your account for a while after deletion. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete your X accounts safely and correctly on desktop. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and share it with anyone else who wants to close their account. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.